Good evening and welcome to Briefing Africa's Intelligence Update. This evening we bring you key developments in security, economics, justice and international affairs. We begin in southern Kaduna, where a terrorist attack has reportedly left 9 people dead and 11 others injured. The incident adds to ongoing security concerns in the region and highlights the persistent threat posed by armed groups operating across parts of northern Nigeria. Security agencies are continuing efforts to stabilize affected communities and prevent further attacks. In economic news, Nigeria spent approximately 20,400 million naira on the importation of consumer goods, including umbrellas and footwear, over the past 3 months. The figures have renewed discussions about domestic manufacturing capacity, import dependence, and the need to strengthen local production to support economic growth and job creation. Meanwhile, human rights lawyer Ifeanyi Ejiofor has criticized what he describes as secret trials involving detained Igbo youths. He alleges that some detainees are being subjected to prolonged detention and pressured into guilty pleas, raising concerns about due process and the protection of fundamental rights within the justice system. In another legal development, an appeals court has upheld a ruling limiting the authority of the National Broadcasting Commission, NBC, to impose fines on broadcast organizations without judicial oversight. The decision is being viewed as a significant judgment for media regulation and the rule of law, with implications for broadcasters and regulatory agencies alike. On the regional front, the ECOWAS Court has affirmed its jurisdiction over a major human rights case involving a Delta State inmate seeking $50 million in damages from the Nigerian government. Legal observers say the ruling reinforces the court's role in addressing human rights complaints within the West African region. In Kogi State, a police inspector has reported the theft of his vehicle, which allegedly contained a service rifle and ammunition. The incident has raised questions about security procedures surrounding police equipment and the handling of sensitive assets. Turning to international news, the United States Federal Reserve has kept interest rates unchanged for a 4th consecutive meeting despite concerns over inflation. Financial analysts are closely monitoring the decision for its potential impact on global markets and economic growth. And in sports, the Democratic Republic of Congo secured a historic milestone by earning its first-ever World Cup point after a hard-fought draw against Portugal. The result has been celebrated by supporters as a significant achievement for Congolese football on the global stage. These developments continue to shape discussions around security, governance, economic policy, justice, and international affairs. 5 independent sources confirmed the major reports featured in this briefing. Thank you for joining us this evening. For more intelligence updates, in-depth analysis and verified reports from across Africa, visit briefingafrica.com.